Hello, hello, and welcome. We're tasting a wine from Spain today made from a Spanish grape called Graciano, and it's coming from the northern part of Spain in a region called Navarra. And this grape is very much the minor blending grape of Rioja, and this is the minor neighbor of Rioja, Navarra. That's what it's from. So I think it's way more important, way more interesting that. I hope you agree. But let's stop listening to me. Let's hear from the producer.
Hello everyone, this is Avi from Viña Sortal. I'm very happy to explain to you how we are doing everything. Viña Sortal is a family winery. My father started in 89 and now we are the second generation. What we are doing is a very honest, pure wine from local grapes. We are working Grenache, Graciano in the southwest of Navarra, in the border between the Iberian Mountains and the Ebro Valley. At the end, very important thing is that our soils are limestone, so at the end, our wines are very fresh. One of the local grapes we are working with is Graciano. Graciano in theory is a rustic grape. Didn't ripe properly before, but now because of the climate change and the better work in the vineyard is ripening perfect. And what we do is to try to make an elegant wine from a rustic grape. We believe in our region, in our local grapes, and in our vineyards. So the winery is not so important for us, but of course, at the end, in the winery, we are working with big French oak barrels, foederers, concrete, because at the end, what we want is to express the terroir, to express the variety, rather than expressing the oak. I have to say thank you so much. I'm really happy that the Wine Folly members can taste our wines. It's very exciting, and I hope everyone to enjoy it. Cheers.
Yay, it's tasting time. Take a moment to take a good darn look at this wine, beautiful color, and take a moment to really sniff out some flavors in this wine. There's actually a lot going on in the glass, and I wrote a ton of flavors. I hope you do as well. So looking at the color, I don't know about you, but this looks to be a deep, almost a deep purple, like a ruby purple color. It could speak to the youth of this wine. It could speak to the production method. They're really preserving so much color and extraction in these grapes, these Graciano grapes. On the nose, I get so much dark fruit, blackberry, blueberry, maybe black currant, a little cocoa powder, some dusty rock smell. It's definitely got an earthiness to it. And I do get this subtle sort of punchy hibiscus tea note. There's something tea quality, floral character, if you will. You could say violet, something like that. So there's quite a lot of fruit in this glass on the nose. Let's give it a try. This is a wine for me that's like, pow! I am absolutely here. It's such a fruit explosion. It's an explosion of acidity. So you get tons of fruit, tons of acidity. These are both great things. And then you're like, wait a second. It actually has a fair amount of tannin. But because we have so much fruit and so much acidity, that tannin isn't overwhelming, which is quite nice. Graciano is always used as the color additive grape to these Rioja wines. It has a lot of color. It has a lot of structure, the acidity that you taste in this wine. And I think it's quite lovely how well balanced it comes out as a single varietal wine. If this wine was super exciting to you, I hope it was. Other wines to check out, I've mentioned them before, and this wine seems relevant. I would check out Bobal from Spain, another amazing Spanish grape, and Bonarda from Argentina. So I hope you enjoyed this wine, and happy tasting. If you enjoyed learning while tasting, check out this next Learn by Tasting video. And if you'd like to taste along, be sure to join Wine Folly Club to get wines like this delivered to your door. Until next time, happy tasting. Peace out.